So I just wanted to show you real quick how you can create signatures in Outlook if you don't already know. I think it's a great way to speed up your day. You can use this for so many different responses that you might do over and over again. And so if you're requesting a quote from us or any other companies out there for shipping, this is a good thing to do is go up to your signatures. First of all, open a new email, go up to signatures, go down to the bottom where it says signatures, and then click OK. It'll ask you to create a new signature, and you can name that signature quote request, whatever you want to name it, whatever function you're trying to do. This can work for many different aspects of your company. Then paste in or type in the information, your signature, in your bottom of your signature, thanks, your name, company name, address, email, all that stuff. But for us, we like to have our shipping quote request form pasted in there for you to use so that it asks you all the information that you need to provide us, which is, the where it's shipping from, zip code included, where it's shipping to, zip code included, any special instructions you might have, the pieces, weight, and dimensions. And when we ask for the weight here in the US, we want to see the pounds, not the kilos, because that just slows us down having to do the calculation. We do know how to do it, but again, we're all about speed here. We want to provide you the fastest service in the industry. And if you have the dimensions, length, width, and height. So the length is always first, the width, and the height. We don't want to see the height first or the width first. We want to see length, width, and height. So that's very important. And that's not just us, that's anybody in the industry. If you're sending out quotes to people and they don't get it in the right order, they could just type it incorrectly because they just real quickly do it. So anyway, and then you would go into your signatures, click on the quote request signature, and it would automatically populate that information. Then you could easily fill in the blanks, zip codes, pieces, weight, dimensions, insurance, whatever the case may be. So that's a good way to speed up your day, make it easier for you, and make it easier for us. And any of our competitors would be happy with this video as well. But if you have any questions, obviously email us or give us a call. We'd love an opportunity to work with you guys and show you how we make it as easy as possible for you to get your day moving in the right direction, getting your shipments moving, and your customers their quotes for shipping as quickly as possible.